Hey, it's Greg Luther, and I am today in Rochester, New York with the Sharon Q team. Everybody wave. So the Sharon Q team, we're in a blueprint day today, and we're working on building the marketing and systems that she utilizes. She's doing pretty well so far. How many closings are you doing per month right now on average?
Probably a little over 20.
A little over 20 closings a month. And she's got her team here. She's got her son, her daughter-in-law, and everybody else, all the support team here, and the bright sunshine in my face here. But we've had a really good day. Hey, Denise, thanks for watching here today. And we're spending a little time talking about actually how you make money with video utilizing Facebook. She has, how many leads do you think you have? Realtor.com and all that stuff.
Few thousand.
So several thousand, 3,000-4,000 leads that have been generated. How do you turn those things into money? So we're talking about what we're doing to create some video content and some digital content, just pictures and text. And we've got some movie stars over in the corner here that are going to be doing their own show here very soon. The Q2 for the Sharon Q team. I don't know if you guys can see way out there is the Q Realty. But anyway, we've had a big day today. Thanks for joining us here, Irma and Will. I think you'll learn a lot from learning from successful realtors. So our goal for next year is $100 million in production. You thought it was going to be $60 million, didn't you?
Surprise!
So we were going for $60 million, but now we're going for $100 million in production. So this is our third blueprint day, because you did one in Columbus, one here, and now we're together for the third time. Something's working. So Sharon has been successful, and the entire team has done extremely well. Happy to show kind of the successes they've had, but I can't wait to show you next year in 2020 doing over or close to $100 million, as close as we can get. We're going to be well over 50 this year, want to get close to 100. So hopefully that inspires you to do the same thing. They've got a kind of a regular market here, $150,000 homes, maybe $150,000 homes, just selling tons of them. So there's a lot of marketing that'll work for you, and I think you're going to see some of the video content they're putting out. So go out there and sell some houses. We'll talk to you soon. There's a video that I want you to watch, by the way. If you go to getfastclosings.com, you'll see a little marketing video that'll help you in growing your business. Make sure you like this video here and follow our page. You're going to get a lot of helpful information by doing so. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.